Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how heavy bikes are made, step by step. Stick with me and you'll see every detail of the process.
Here we receive all the raw materials: steel, aluminum, and high-quality alloys. Every batch is checked carefully before moving into production. Each component is weighed, measured, and scanned. Accuracy here ensures every frame and engine part will fit perfectly later.
These machines prepare each piece with precision. Steel and alloys are shaped exactly as needed for the bike's frame and engine.
The frame is digitally designed for strength, weight, and durability. Every joint is analyzed to ensure the bike performs perfectly.
The lasers cut each steel component with extreme precision, creating the exact shapes we need for assembly.
Robotic welding ensures every frame joint is strong and perfectly aligned, ready for the next stage. After welding, every frame is inspected carefully. We check for cracks, alignment, and overall quality before moving forward. The engine starts as molten metal. Each block is poured carefully, forming the foundation of the bike's power. Precision machining ensures every engine component fits perfectly and runs smoothly once assembled. Each engine is tested under real conditions to make sure it delivers power safely and reliably. Once assembled, every engine is carefully inspected to ensure all components meet our strict quality standards before installation. Next, we carefully fit the engine into the frame. Precision alignment is crucial to maintain performance and safety. Here we attach the suspension, ensuring every bolt and joint is perfectly positioned for smooth handling.
Now the wheels go on. Each tire and brake assembly is carefully installed to guarantee safety and stability.
Next, we install the drive system. Proper tension and alignment here are key for smooth power delivery. Hydraulic brakes are installed with precision. Safety and responsiveness are our top priorities in this step. Here we install the fuel system. Every connection is carefully secured to ensure reliability and efficiency. Next, we handle the electrical system. Wiring and sensors are connected precisely to make the bike fully functional. The instrument panel is installed carefully. Accuracy here ensures the rider sees all vital information clearly. Now we fit the exhaust system. Each pipe is aligned perfectly for performance and efficiency. Finally, we polish, apply decals, and check the finish. Appearance matters just as much as function.
Before leaving the factory, every bike undergoes a final inspection. We check every detail to ensure it meets our highest standards.
Now we start up the engine. Every system is monitored to ensure smooth operation before assembly continues. The suspension is tested carefully. Each movement is monitored to guarantee safe and smooth handling on the road. We test the brakes under controlled conditions. Precision here ensures the rider's safety and reliable performance.
All electronics are checked carefully. Every light, sensor, and gauge must function perfectly before leaving the line.
Each engine is inspected one last time to make sure it runs flawlessly and meets our exacting standards.
The exhaust is tested for proper flow and sound. It's all part of delivering the ultimate riding experience.
Every tire is inflated and aligned precisely. Correct wheel alignment ensures stability and safety on the road. We start by covering sensitive parts like seats and mirrors to protect the bikes during handling and transportation.
Each bike is strapped securely. Proper handling is critical to prevent damage during shipment. And sets the parts to the bike handling and transportation. Once prepared, bikes move along the conveyor to the loading area, ready for transport. Forklifts carefully handle the bikes, positioning them securely for shipment. Safety is always our priority. The bikes are loaded into trucks for delivery. Each placement is carefully planned to avoid damage. Inside the trucks, every bike is strapped firmly. Proper securing ensures they arrive safely at dealerships. Our delivery fleet ensures each bike reaches its destination in perfect condition, ready for the rider. Even at the dealership, we give the bikes a final polish to ensure they look as perfect as they perform. We start by covering sensitive parts like seats and mirrors to protect the bikes during handling and transportation. And that's how heavy bikes are made. From raw materials to the road, every step is carefully managed to deliver top quality machines. Thanks for joining us today.